Are you struggling to find ideas for your lead magnet? Do you spend time thinking about what lead magnet you should create for your website? In this video, I'll show you how to create a super simple lead magnet in just under 10 minutes. And we'll do this completely for free using tools like Canva and OpenAI ChatGPT. Let's get started. So what kind of lead magnet can we create? The lead magnet that we need should be very simple. We don't need an ebook of 50 pages. No one today has that sort of attention span. We need a super simple checklist that people can refer to. This checklist should solve a reader's problem. It should be super actionable so the reader gets the most value from it. It should have maximum 10 entries. You don't want a checklist which is running into 10 pages. You want it super short and simple so people can use it and get results immediately. We'll use ChatGPT to find simple ideas for a lead magnet. I've created a custom prompt. It's a very simple prompt and it will give me ideas for any niche that I have. So you will get different types of lead magnet ideas you can think about. I'll enter this prompt into ChatGPT. You can find this entire prompt in the description. So it's a very simple prompt. I tell it that I want to create a lead magnet to collect email subscribers and to suggest me some ideas for it. I want this lead magnet to be super simple and actionable. I want it to solve a reader's problem and I want it to be highly effective. So I tell it to give me 10 ideas for such a lead magnet. Now I can enter any niche I want. In my case, suppose I enter software tips and tools for online business. It gave me 10 cool ideas I can use to create a super fast lead magnet. Essential software toolkit, one-page quick start guide for productivity apps, exclusive access to beta features, 30-day software mastery challenge. It gives different ideas you can think about. As an expert, you should go through them and pick one that's best for your need. I recommend using the checklist option. You can use any of these ideas, but eventually we want to create a checklist. Whichever idea we use, we need it to be a very simple, super fast checklist. I'll use this essential software toolkit checklist idea. I'll copy it and keep it in Notepad. Now we'll again use ChatGPT and it will generate this lead magnet itself for us. Of course, you'll need to go through it as an expert and see that it makes sense because ChatGPT can hallucinate, add something that doesn't make sense. So we have to be sure it's correct and suitable for our readers. So I have another prompt I created that we can use. So this prompt, I tell it to create a lead magnet to collect email subscribers, and the lead magnet should follow these rules. It should be super simple and actionable. It should solve the reader's problem, should be highly effective, and I want the checklist to have maximum 10 entries. So let's see how this works in ChatGPT. I copy the prompt and I add it to ChatGPT. I'll add this prompt as well to the description so you can copy and use it for your purpose. Now the idea that I had copied earlier, I'll use and give it to ChatGPT so it can generate the lead magnet for us. So I'll paste the idea here. Now it turned it into a checklist. It gave this checkboxes because I told it to add them. So you have this checklist generated. Go through it. Make sure it makes sense and is correct because ChatGPT can hallucinate. As an expert, I would suggest you check each of them and see that it makes sense and it's up to date with the information. Copy this and paste it in Notepad for referring later on. Now we'll use Canva to create this lead magnet. So it comes in an attractive format we can provide to our readers. The free version of Canva is sufficient. You don't need to pay. Now Canva has different templates you can use. You can directly put lead magnet or you can put a checklist. It will give you different types of templates. So we'll see which one is suitable for us. Log into Canva. In the search, you can search for checklist. It will give you different templates for checklist. You can select anyone which you find suitable. You could add lead magnet. This will give you lead magnet templates with several pages. For example, if I check this one, you can have multiple pages with the cover, with about the author, then the pages with the content, then a call to action. So it depends how you want it. I prefer a simple one-page checklist. One template which I found suitable for me is this email checklist worksheet template. To this one, it's very simple checklist. So I can directly copy paste my generated checklist from ChatGPT into this. So hit customize this template. Now this is where you will spend, I guess, the most time because you need to copy paste into it. This entire template is completely editable. So just copy paste whatever you got from ChatGPT generating that checklist over here. So I can change the name Essential Software Toolkit Checklist. I can add any description if I want what it is about. Add each of the entries of the checklist. If you need an additional page, you can duplicate the page and then add the entries in that page. duplicate the page, continue adding your checklist entries. Once you're done with the changes, go to share and download. Now you want to download this as a PDF. Download PDF. If you want to make it in a print format, you can use this flattened PDF. So go for PDF standard, that's fine. It has 2 pages and we'll download it. So this is how a simple checklist looks like. So it's very simple to create using ChatGPT and Canva. It will hardly take you 10 minutes as long as your idea is concrete, what you found, and it is correct based on your expert input. You can use this as a lead magnet and start collecting email subscribers, and it's very fast to do this, so you can get good feedback after a few days on how it's performing. Now you know how to create a super simple lead magnet in under 10 minutes to collect email subscribers. You can start using this method, this process to create different types of lead magnets. You can create checklists, guides, ebooks, anything you want in under 10 minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. I've added the ChatGPT prompts and a link to the Canva template in the description. Now you have a website that can collect email subscribers using this lead magnet, but you also need a lot of content for this website. I've created a video that will show you how you can use AI to generate 50 posts where each of them cost me just around 18 cents. Check this video over here which shows that. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.